Alright, so this came in on the tow truck. Trying to see how many miles are on this thing. Hold on a second here. Alright, so you heard the carnage. It's a 05, I believe, Buick Lacrosse. Came in on the tow truck. 142,000 miles. The engine's garbage. It's got like 10 codes in it. Cylinder misfires. You can hear the rods knocking. Maybe the timing chain slipped. I'm not sure because it has a whole bunch of codes in there, and it sounds like the upper half isn't oiling or something wrong with the upper half possibly. And then the lower half's definitely knocking. So this thing needs an engine or it needs to go to the junkyard, one or the other. But another 3.6 GM bites the dust. I don't know what we'll do with this one. I guess I'll let him or her know. I actually don't know this customer. They just contacted my wife, I guess, and broke down the highway, and tow truck dropped it off, and this is what I found. I'm afraid to even put it on a trailer, take it somewhere. I can't imagine it's going to run much longer. It's on the verge of blowing up. So anyway, just interesting little rod knocker we got here. And not sure what they're going to do with it, but if they want me to change the engine, I'll do that. If they don't, then I guess the next stop will be the junkyard.